Yes.
My lord, may I make a mention for one unlisted item to be taken upon this coming Thursday, my lord, 11th of December. I have filed.
What is the urgency?
The urgency is that I have filed one writ petition regarding date of birth of the
Date of birth?
date of birth of the petitioner.
Concerning his service matter?
Concerning his service, yes. my lord. So he is about to retire as per the respondent's Apex Bank Limited. He is about to retire on February, my lord, in the month of February, early part of February.
Then there's still time if you're going to pay for.
At least, my lord, at the motion stage, if it could be taken up on
Okay,
this
we'll issue
Thursday.
notice
Yes.
only that.
Yes,
okay?
my lord, only
okay.
that. Much obliged.
Listed,
My lord, part two, item number 1, as
Part
mutually,
2, yes.
as mutually agreed by both the parties, may this matter be taken after the ensuing vacation.
Okay. Ms. Jacinta Zothanmoy, learned counsel for the appellant, has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. Okay, you're there?
Yes,
Okay, has prayed for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by Mr. Samuel Wallashetha Changte, learned counsel for the respondent. It's respondent, okay.
Sole
In view of the
respondent.
above, list the matter after the ensuing vacation. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
My lord, part 2, number 4, item number 4.
Number?
Number 4,
Four.
item 4.
You're for the respondent.
Yes.
So who is for the appellant?
Yes, I'm for the respondent and the appellant is Fakuma, Mr.
Okay,
Fakuma.
he's consented?
Yes, as mutually agreed.
Okay.
The matter may be taken after the ensuing vacation.
Oh, okay. Mrs. Jacinta Zothanmoy, learned counsel for the respondent, has prayed for same. Okay, with the consent from the other side. List after the ensuing vacation. Yes.
Much obliged.
In view of the above. Same. Yes.
Much obliged.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes.
My lady, I'll be appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
Oh, okay. You had appeared previously and you were to amend. So you've made the amendment.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, by in pleading.
Respondent number 4. I filed an additional affidavit, my lord. It's on record. The service has also been done. They have been informed the next date of hearing, that is for today also.
How can you this thing service when notice? This is the first time it's coming up, is it? We have not made any mention for issuance of notice, isn't it? So, Mr.
Karthik.
So and so. Okay. Mr. What?
Karthik Jain.
Okay, Karthik Jain, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present and submits that an additional affidavit has been filed wherein the respondent number 4, is it, has also
Yes, ma'am.
been included in the instant writ petition. Full stop. Now, what is the matter about?
My ladyship, I am pressing for ex parte interim stay in the matter.
Okay. Why? What?
My ladyship, there has been gross misconduct by PNE department while evaluation of the tender. They have conducted with evident favorism, biasness, and wrongful acceptance of an invalid bid of the other bidder, JK Fiscon.
Okay, respondent number 4.
Respondent
Is it?
number 4. Yes, my ladyship. My ladyship, if I may, I will be relying on a judgment Vidarbha Irrigation by the Supreme Court passed by Rohinton Nariman Justice. My ladyship, this judgment was passed in 2019 and it squarely covers my case on legal ground as well as on the factual metrics. It's a clear-cut same case, my ladyship. My ladyship, if I may brief about the case. In this case also, an invalid bidder, because of the invalid earnest money, has been accepted by the department, has been awarded the work, Later on, when the case reaches to Supreme Court, the Supreme Court clarifies that if the invalid EMD is there, the tender should not be responsive, neither been accepted. So the end conclusion of this judgment was that the accepted bidder, the work has been taken away and given to the next successful bidder.
Anyway, we'll issue a notice. Let's see.
My ladyship may please pass an at least interim order till the next date of hearing. My ladyship, you were asking on the last date of hearing, what will be the interest of public in this matter if the stay is passed? My ladyship, if the stay is not granted, my ladyship, the successful invalid bidder will start pursuing the work. They may place the additional order for the respect to this contract, and later on they will come to the court for the compensation of the work. My ladyship,
Okay, what is the present status now?
My-
Your Lordship, on that regard, although my learned friend has pointed out the contention, but he has not fully furnished the relevant facts, Your Lordship. So now, this in this case, Your Lordship, the
What is the
ministry.
stage now? What is the stage
Yes, Your Lordship.
right now?
Already the LOA has already been granted, and the work order has also already been issued, because Your Lordship, the Ministry of Donor had sanctioned the project on the 3rd June of 2025, and the sanction order actually stipulates that a work order must be issued within 6 months of the sanction. That is on the 3rd of December, Your Lordship. Failing which, the sanction would have automatically lapsed. The scheme further also required that the project has to be completed within 18 months. That is why there was a rush, Your Lordship. And now, Your Lordship, as regards to the EMD, now when the meeting was held, the technical meeting was held, Your Lordship, in the pre-bidding, Your Lordship. The purpose of the earnest money deposit is to ensure the bid seriousness. And now, Your Lordship, during the pre-bid meeting, where all the bidders, including the petitioner, were present, the technical committee actually expressly clarified that the earlier EMDs, which had not expired, need not be renewed, as the work will be issued before, as the work will also be issued before the validity of the EMD expired, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, there was a reason as to why the bidding was only stretched to 5 days. It is because the sanction had to be completed the work order sanction had to be completed before the 3rd of December. Otherwise, it would have lapsed. That is why there was a rush, Your Lordship. There was no favoritism, because even though initially the tender was issued in the month of June, and there was only one person who was the answering tender, who was the GK Fiscon Ideas, Your Lordship. Had there been any favoritism, the State
Month of
Department would not
June.
have, Your Lordship.
Oh, where's the month of June? Not mentioned in the
Yes, Your Lordship.
petition.
If I may be allowed to give my short
Okay,
write-up.
anyways, this is as a stage of issuing notice, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
My ladyship, I please may. My ladyship may record the submission of the respondent that at least they are confessing before the court that the EMD was short of validity.
It was not short of validity, Your
My
Lordship.
lord-
It was
No,
well
no,
within-
let me pass my order, okay? Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed the instant writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of the Constitution. We have only one Constitution, no need of India. Of the Constitution, challenging the arbitrary acceptance of an alleged invalid EMD, whereby the petitioner's joint venture, within brackets JV, bid was rejected without notice or without being given an opportunity for clarification, full stop. Then the learned counsel submitted that the respondent number 2 and 3 that the action of the respondent number 2 and 3 was illegal, discriminatory, and non-transparent in the tender evaluation undertaken under the NIT slash RFB number P dash 37117 slash 1 slash 25 dash capital E dash IN small, okay, dash capital C, open bracket, PM, both capital, close bracket, slash 13, dated 06/11/2025, issued for, within inverted commas, strengthening of transmission and transformation system for sustainable power supply in Mizoram under the, in capital letters, NESIDS, open bracket, 0 TRI, close bracket, close inverted commas, full stop. I don't think we need to record all these details. Okay, the petitioner had submitted its bid on 11/11/2025, complying with all eligibility and bid security requirements of the standard bidding document, within brackets, SBI, close bracket, including deposit of valid earnest money deposit, EMD, within brackets, EMD, comma, along with submission of power of attorney and credentials of all JV partners, full stop. However, the bid of the petitioner was rejected as non-responsive. By stating that, open inverted commas, no JV existed as on 12/11/2025 at 11 a.m., close inverted commas, without issuing any communication or without seeking any notice to the instant writ petitioner. However, the bid of the private respondent number 4, is it,
Yes, ma'am.
was
Yes, my lady.
considered in spite of his invalid EMD. Besides EMD, what else?
Ma'am, that's my primary contention.
Okay, only.
That's the primary contention.
EMD, full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that the acceptance of an invalid EMD by the respondents number 2 and 3 is liable to be set aside, since the matter is also covered by the judgment of the Apex Court in Vidarbha Irrigation Development Corporation versus MS Najoj Kumar Garwala. Reported in what? Reported in? It simply says reportable. Where is it reported?
My lord, may mention the civil appeal number 1049 of 2019.
Okay, civil appeal number 1049 of 2019. Full stop. The learned counsel submits that since the instant case is squarely covered by the judgment of the Apex Court, the further proceedings in the acceptance of the bid of the private respondents may be stayed. Anything else? You want to say that?
Obliged, my lordship.
Ah.
One correction, my ladyship. While iterating the order, my ladyship has said that the bid was submitted on 11/11/2025, whereas it is 12/11/2025.
Okay, instead of 11, it is 12/11.
2025.
Okay,
That's
the
the only
agreement
correction.
is 11/11 with some other this thing. Okay, yes, 12/11/2025 instead of 11/11, yes. Issue notice to the respondents, Ms. Lal Nunlui, learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of state respondents number 1 to 3, is it? 1, 2, and 3, full stop. The learned government advocate has also strongly objected to the stay of the further proceedings in respect of the acceptance of the bid of the private respondent number 4 by submitting that, what was the submission?
Yes, Your Lordship. The submission was that the Ministry of Donor had sanctioned
Okay,
project on the 3rd
that
of June.
the Ministry of Donor had sanctioned the concerned project
On the 3rd of June,
on
2025.
03/06/2025, wherein the
The
works
sanction
was
order
to be-
stipulates that a work order must be issued within 6 months of the sanction.
Okay, that the work order should be issued within 6 months of the sanction.
That is on or before the 3rd of December 2025, Your
That
Lordship.
is on or before
On or before 3rd of December 2025.
03/012/2025.
Failing which the sanction would automatically lapse.
Okay, failing which the sanction would automatically lapse, full stop. Because of the said terms and conditions.
And
You had
also-
accepted the,
No, Your
because
Lordship.
of this said terms and conditions, there was
Yes, Your Lordship.
urgency in the matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And the bid of the private respondent number 4 was accepted. Why?
Yes, Your Lordship. It was accepted because, Your Lordship, initially there was a tender open. Now, in that tender, Your Lordship, only GK Fiscon, which is the respondent number 4.
When was it opened?
Your Lordship, it was opened in the month of, in June itself, Your Lordship. Now, there was only one person who
this thing-
responded to the
When was
tender.
the, this thing, tender?
6/11/2025, my lordship.
But
She is
when-
talking about a tender which has been floated prior to this
Prior.
tender.
Yes, when,
So,
that's-
It
after
has
that,
no
Your Lordship,
connection with this tender.
It does not have any connection. However, in order to demonstrate the fact that the respondent were fair in responding to these tenders, Your Lordship. Now, Your
No,
Lordship,
so previously the tender was floated in
And
the
then
month
only-
of June.
yes, Your Lordship, only
Then again, it was floated again later.
yes, Your Lordship, on the ground that they did not, the respondents did not want to give favoritism to any person who was not qualified on a technical ground.
So ultimately, when someone else also bids for, submits his bid, then we have to see who is more qualified instead
Your
of
Lordship, yes,
sticking
Your
to the
Lordship.
first one.
And then, Your Lordship,
That has to be looked into, isn't it?
yes, Your Lordship. And then, Your Lordship, in the second round when the tender was floated, Your Lordship, now only GK Fiscon Ideas had qualified in the technical qualification criteria. And now, Your Lordship, when the,
See, their only ground is that invalid EMD.
yes, Your Lordship, that also in the pre-bid meeting, when the petitioner was also present, he did not want to sign the attendance sheet, but in that pre-bid meeting, it was clearly explained to all the bidders that an unexpired EMD from the earlier tender need not be renewed.
Anyway, we'll consider the whole thing later. He says that this matter is squarely covered by a judgment of the Apex Court. Give the copy of the judgment, okay? And we will consider this in the next date, which will be, it will be listed immediately after the ensuing vacation. Okay. Anyway, expire within 6 months on so and so.
My ladyship.
Because of which the tender of respondent number 4, who had responded to the previous tender, floated during the month of floated on,
Your Lordship, in the month of June,
floated during the month of June was considered. Full stop. The learned government advocate further explained that since there was only one bidder when the tender was first floated, in the interest of justice and in order to, in the interest of justice, the second tender, a second tender was again floated during the month of November. is it?
November, 6 November
Okay,
2020.
on 06/11/2025, wherein the present writ petitioner had also submitted his bid. Full stop. The learned government advocate further explained that the EMD of the private respondent number 4 was also accepted by the committee concerned with a reasonable explanation, and therefore there were no grounds for staying of the proceedings on the acceptance of the tender of the respondent number 4. Full stop. The learned government advocate further states that, what is the stage? The present status is,
that Your Lordship, the LOA has been already been issued to the respondent number 4, Your Lordship, and also the work order has also been issued. And Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to make additional facts, Your Lordship, the first tender was floated on 19th September, not June. 19th September, Your Lordship.
so first tender, 19th September 2025, instead of month of June. Okay.
And Your Lordship, the project has to be completed within 24 months, not 18 months.
You cross-checked your facts? Okay. 24 months, 1 year, that
Yes,
is.
Your Lordship. 2 years, Your Lordship. That'll be
24,
Yes,
then
Your
there's
Lordship.
plenty of time, 24 months. Okay, so and so. Instead of that limited time, make it 24 months. Okay. The present status is that on the selection of the respondent number 4, what has been issued?
Your Lordship,
Full form.
Letter of award.
letter of award, Your Lordship.
Okay, letter of award has also been issued to the respondent number 4. Full stop. On hearing the submissions, new para made by the learned counsels for both the parties, this court find it appropriate to allow the stay of the further proceedings in the instant case, considering the fact that it has been submitted that the award, that the acceptance of the tender of the respondent number 4 is illegal, as and that the same facts of the case, and that in a similar case the apex court had set aside the bid of the tender awarded for reasons which are similar to the instant case. Full stop. This court also finds that, considering the fact that a time period has been fixed for the completion of the works, that is 24 months. The instant writ petition. No, that an attempt should be made for disposal of the instant writ petition expeditiously. Therefore, the respondents are to file their counter affidavit positively by the next court date. If, okay, full stop. Notice is also to be issued to the private respondent number 4 to registered post with AD within 3 working days, returnable by 3 weeks. List immediately after the ensuing vacations on her. You want a date?
Your Lordship, if it may be listed again on the 15th of January.
Okay, on 15/1/2026. Yes.
My ladyship, dusty copy may be served. It's a request.
Okay, concerning the urgency of the matter, the petitioners is also allowed to serve notice upon the respondent number 4 through dusty mode.
My lord, I'm asking for the dusty copy of the today's order.
Oh, that will be given. It will be out.
That's all.
Okay.
And advance
You want to
service-
issue notice through respondent number 4 through dusty mode?
No,
Okay.
and my ladyship, advance service has already been done to respondent number 4 from our side. Copy has already been served.
Okay, to registered post with AD, returnable by 3 weeks, if not already done.
That's my
Copy will be
ladyship.
out. Yes.
Item number 2 and 3.
May I plead your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, we have filed affidavit in opposition. Kindly fix the matter for hearing on 16/2/2026.
Pleadings
Lordship, I am
complete? Are pleadings complete in this matter? To file the counter affidavit? No.
As per-
Yes.
My lord, as per the last court order, I was supposed to obtain instruction as
Ah.
to whether we will rely upon the affidavit
Oh,
filed by
yes,
respondent
yes,
number
yes,
7
huh.
or not. Even I sent letter, white letter number dated 24 November, but I have not respond from the concerned authority.
So you want to
Yeah.
pray for further time?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Yes, Miss, no, who's, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. Zairam Sampui, learned CGC for respondents number 3, 4, 5, and 7, is it?
Yes, my lord.
And Miss, your good name, so-and-so, appearing on behalf of her senior, Mr. S.K. Medi, learned counsel for, appearing on learned counsel for respondent number 6 through VC, and Ms. Vane Isyami, learned government advocate for the state respondents number 1 and 2. Full stop. The learned CGC for respondents number 3, 4, 5, and 7 has prayed for further time to get necessary instructions whether she is required to file a counter affidavit or adopt the counter affidavit filed by respondent number 6. Yes, what about government advocate?
Your Lordship, we have to file affidavit in item number 2, but then the council, they are not from ICE also. We have a hard time in serving the copy.
What serving copy? Have you filed the counter affidavit or not?
Your Lordship, we are yet to file, but
Okay.
for filing, we have to serve them first, so.
Then, no, there shouldn't be a problem. In this day and age, you send it through email, whatever, isn't it? It doesn't have to be the hard copy. It can be done anyways. The learned government advocate has also prayed for time to file the counter affidavit.
My lord, in item number 3,
In view of the above, list the matter on, are you going to pray for a date?
my lord,
Yes, 16/2/2026.
Is it okay, 16 to?
Yes.
In view of the above, as sought for, list on 16 to 2026. Yes. Then item number
3.
3, same,
Same.
but who's the,
State has already filed, and respondent number 7 also filed, my lord. And 4 to 6 is Ms. Zarim Sangpui, my lord, in this item.
My lord, same submission to the
Item number 4.
no, item number 3, where's item number 3? Okay, now in item number 3,
I'm appearing, my lord, for the petitioner.
My submission is, my lord, same to the earlier item.
okay, only thing is,
4 to 6.
Respondent,
Ms. Zarim Sangpui, learned CGC, it will be 4, 5 and 6.
Yes.
Okay? And Mr. S.K. Mehdi will be number 7.
And state also filed affidavit, my lord, already
Okay.
filed.
It is,
1 to 3.
okay, so, further time for counter affidavit, state government, that will not be added. Okay? That is not required there. Then, as sought for, list on same date. Yes.
List.
Item number 4, please.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, we have filed rejoinder. My senior SK Mehdi is on legs in before division bench.
Okay, rejoinder affidavit filed.
Yes, we have filed
Pleadings
rejoinder.
complete? Pleadings are complete, we can list the matter for admission hearing.
Yes, my lord.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel, appears on behalf of her senior Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned counsel for the petitioner through VC, along with Mr. Samuel L. Sangte, learned additional AG for the state respondents. Full stop. It is submitted by the parties that pleadings are complete. Full stop. In view of the above, list the matter for admission hearing on same date.
Same date.
22nd, isn't it?
16 to
Okay,
2020.
16th, 02/2026.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 5.
5, 6, 7 is the same, my lord.
Same order,
Same.
pleadings complete?
Yes.
Let me just see, because you say something and then something else happens. Okay, same order. 5, 6 and 7, is it?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Obliged.
Item number 8.
My lord, before my learned friend make his submission, I would like to mention that I have not received back the Vakalatnama, which I have furnished to the Apex Bank authorities.
Oh, so you don't know whether you're going to represent or what?
No, I have to file a Vakalatnama, separate Vakalatnama for this.
But you have been.
I have not received instruction, and if your lordship may be pleased to pass any order, I think my learned friend is going to pray for interim stay. That would be for the
Okay,
next
so
return
this
activity.
this prayer, so today it's to consider the
Interim.
prayer made by the counsel for the petitioner, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
What is the interim prayer?
My lord, I am the retired employee of Apex Bank. I had rendered service for 35 years, and retired on superannuation pension in the year 2021. Thereafter, I was employed for the next 3 consecutive years as consultant. And thereafter, my lord, I was alleged to have committed irregularity while sanctioning loan during the year 2005 and 2006, while I was functioning as branch manager, Siha. However, my lord, as per the procedure of the bank, every year, in the end of the year, there was this audit conducted from 2 authorities. There was no irregularity found during that relevant point of time. Those delegations were in the year 2005 and 6. And
So when was this thing, action taken against you? During
April 2025,
Okay,
without
after almost 10 years.
without conducting inquiry. Inquiry was not even conducted, and the allegation against me was that I had committed irregularity while sanctioning loan amounting to rupees 7 lakhs, and I was held liable to repay the same rupees 7 lakhs with its interest. And accordingly, my lord, in pursuant to the impugned order 30/4/2025, they have made overdrawn withdrawal amounting to rupees 16 lakhs plus, and they have diverted
16 lakhs.
16,76,737. That was overdrawn withdrawal from my savings bank account. And I was made to repay the same by diverting my monthly pension, 35,000. And besides that, my lord, this is in respect of my savings bank account at Dolpui branch. And I have another savings bank account at Siha branch, which was also freezed, as well as my fixed deposit,
Okay, so your interim prayer is
to cease the diversion of my pension.
diversion
my
of your
pension.
monthly pension.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. And
To
That's all?
defreeze the savings.
bank account,
Yes, my lord.
which was freezed. When was it freezed?
Automatically after this impugned order was issued 30/4/2025.
Okay. So we'll grant the interim prayer. Yes, heard Mr. Victor. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Lal Fagzwala, learned counsel for respondents number 1 and 4, who submits that
1 to 4.
1 to 4, who submits that he has not received the required instructions till date, but has objected to the interim prayer made by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Okay. The interim prayer of the petitioner was for the stay of the operation of the impugned order dated 30/04/2025, and also to cease the deduction of his monthly pension along with the defreeze of the petitioner's savings bank account. Number what? Number?
I have given in,
It is at the Dolpui branch, is it?
my lord, my prayer portion.
Prayer portion, it's not mentioned. Okay.
I have given
Okay.
in detail.
Savings bank account number 000-405-8400-20620 at Dolpui branch. Full stop.
And my prayer D, I have mentioned the other savings bank account. D, B, C, D.
Wait.
B and D.
This is-
B in this is in
Okay,
respect of Dolpui branch.
B is the Dolpui branch.
D is in respect of
Okay,
Siha branch.
Dolpui branch, okay, then, and the defreeze of the petitioner's saving bank account number 000505845 at Siha branch. and his fixed deposit bearing account number 0005026 then 40768 at Siha branch. Full stop. The Learned Counsel submits that the said freezing of his account and the deduction of his monthly pension is illegal and a violation of his fundamental rights. Full stop. He further submits that unless the operation of the impugned order is stayed, he would be suffering irreparable loss. Full stop. Having considered the submissions made by the learned counsels for both the parties, this court find it appropriate to pass an interim order staying the operation of the impugned order dated 30/04/2025 and thereafter defreeze the bank accounts number so and so, copy paste. Okay. And also cease the deduction of the monthly pay of the petitioner till the disposal of the instant writ
Till
petition.
the next date, my
No,
lord.
my lord.
Otherwise, it would be amounting to disposal of the case.
No, my lord.
How
Before-
are you-
The main question is that whether I'm liable to repay the 16 lakhs or not.
So
Let them go to
50
the civil court if they want to recover that.
No, my lord.
Okay,
That is
no,
not the-
till the next date of listing,
Yes.
let's say that, you get the instructions, okay, till the next date of listing, okay. Let's,
My lord,
after the,
one small submission.
Uh-huh.
Regarding the pension, my lord, it's a monthly pension, and the case is likely to be returnable after a month. This interim order will not make any, cannot be materialized by the petitioner.
no, anyways, still,
Till the
we'll
next
continue what's required, okay.
Yes, court will open on
Disposal till
Till,
disposal.
till the
No.
next date of listing, list after the ensuing vacation.
of rights.
Item number 9.
My lord,
Yes,
in the last court date, I was given
what, you were given what,
time.
last date or what?
I was
Oh, yes, to make
given
payment,
3 months time for
so
giving.
compliance
Yeah,
report.
however, my lord, no, in the meantime, we tended to challenge the spot verification report then relating to the present case. Then the matter was listed yesterday. Even no notice has been yet issued. However, we already filed our WPC. Then in the meantime, I may be granted some more time for,
What, some more time for what, for compliance or what?
no.
You're saying that,
In the meantime, my lord, my writ petition may be allowed, my lord.
no, writ petition where? You filed a writ
Yesterday, my lord.
petition
It was listed
yesterday.
yesterday.
It was listed
Yes.
yesterday, and what did we do? We issued notice.
No, my lord, even though notice was not yet issued, however, we are.
If it was listed yesterday, what order did we pass?
My lord, I have some mistake by enclosure of the document.
Oh, so you
Yeah.
have prayed
Yes,
for
my lord. Yes,
amendment.
yes,
And
my
when
lord.
is it listed again?
It may be listed again day after tomorrow.
No, the concerned writ petition which you're mentioning,
Yeah, it may be day after tomorrow, it may be listed.
the writ petition is a challenge to the verification report in
Yes,
this
my lord.
contempt.
Yes, my lord.
But this is 2013? And you wake up now only?
No, my
When,
lord.
when was the
The
verification
final
report done?
decision, the final decision was made recently only, my lord.
Recently?
Yes, my lord. In the meantime, counsel for petitioner was
Well, since
not
the counsel
appear
for the
second
petitioner
time.
is not present,
Yes.
we will list it some other day.
Okay. Obliged.
None appeared for the petitioner, while Ms. Zairem Sangpui, learned CGC, for the respondent.
number
This is
2.
contempt. So while Ms. Zairem Sangpui, learned counsel for respondent number
2, 4, 8, and 11.
2, 4, 8, and 11 submits that they have filed a writ petition recently challenging the verification report in connection with the instant contempt petition, and has therefore prayed for further for adjournment. In view of the above, since none appeared for the petitioner, list the matter again after the ensuing vacations. List the matter after the ensuing vacations. Yes.
Item number 10.
None appeared for the appellant on call. List after the ensuing vacation. Yes.
Item number 11.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, my lord. This is bail application for the endorsement of the petitioner filed under section 37 of NDNPS Act, read with section 480 of BNSS.
How many times have you filed a bail application?
Sorry, my lord.
How many times are you filing this bail application?
In the High Court, this is the third.
This is the
time.
third time.
Yes.
So what are the new grounds?
My lord, our main ground is his ailment, medical ground.
Medical grounds.
Yes.
Where's this thing?
Our ground has been mentioned
Medical,
in clause number 7.
Certificate.
My lord, it's in
Is it
Annexure 7.
enclosed?
Yes. It's in
Page?
7, Annexure 7 and 8. 36.
Page 36.
Yes, page 36 onward.
Cough and expectoration or whatever. I can't read the handwriting. You are coughing a lot, is it? You're having fever,
My lord.
is it?
Yes, and we have been diagnosed with hepatitis C
So,
as well. And later on, my lord, we has been
so he is advised to go for regular checkup. Then
yes.
this is
and
2023. Then 2024.
thereafter, my lord, we have gone for checkup in
Chronic liver disease.
Guwahati. Yes.
So where's this done? This is done
In Guwahati.
Guwahati. So you're granted what? Interim bail or
Yes.
what?
I was granted interim bail by the learned trial court. But when I applied for extension and regularization for the bail, my application has been rejected.
Anyway, we'll issue notice. Let's see. But Mr. Ram Mahmood, Learned Counsel for the applicant, who submits that he is filing to the instant bail application under section 483 of the BNSS for release of the accused petitioner on bail in connection with SR number 231/2023 under section 21C of NDNPS Act, 1985 on medical grounds, since the accused petitioner is suffering from serious ailment. Full stop. It is also submitted by the Learned Counsel that this is the fourth or third
one in the High Court.
third
This-
time.
Yes. third
Okay,
time.
the instant bail application is filed before this court. However, the reasons are different since the accused petitioner was recently diagnosed from suffering chronic liver disease, within brackets CLD. At which hospital? Swagat Hospital, comma, Guwahati, full stop. The Learned Counsel further submits that the accused petitioner was granted interim bail by the Learned Trial Court to enable him to get proper medical treatment. However, the Learned Trial Court, by its order dated, which order?
Order dated 17 November 2025. Bail application number 442.
Order dated 17/11/2025 in bail application number 442 of 2025 had rejected the prayer for regularization of the interim bail granted to the accused petitioner. Is it?
Yes.
Full stop. Hence, the instant bail application. Stop. Notice be issued to the respondents. Mrs. Linda L. Fumble, Learned PP, accepts notice on behalf of the state respondent. Requisite copies of the bail application to be duly furnished to the Learned public prosecutor. List
My lord, if
immediately,
it may be possible, it may be listed on Thursday or Friday this week.
No, not possible. We'll make it immediately. Okay, list the matter immediately after the ensuing vacation. Why did you come so late? In November it was rejected. You should have approached the court earlier. Isn't it all this stuff? Where are you right now?
I'm in hospital.
In the hospital?
Yes.
So just remain in the hospital then, isn't it? List immediately after the ensuing vacation. Yes.
Item number 12.
Yes, may it please your lordship, I am here for the respondent 1 to 82, my lord. And my lord, we are not yet ready to file our objection, and we are seeking for another time to file
What's
our
the IA
objection.
about? IA is for?
This IA is
The IA is regarding what?
The IA is for deletion of the JICA from the matter, Your Lordship.
Okay.
And in this matter, I am led by my learned friend Savita here. Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship. In fact, lot of time they have taken for file their objection. In fact, this hearing was specifically fixed for the argument, and Your Lordship was kind enough to note down in the order itself that 1 week before the objection should be given. So again, my humble request is, we are not objecting taking time, but it should be some timeline should be observed.
Okay, final chance will be given.
Yes, my
Okay,
lord.
make
Yes, my
sure
lord.
that if you have any written objection, file it by the next date. Yes. Ms. Savita Sharma, Learned
Yes.
Counsel for the applicant, is present through VC, along with Ms. Rosie Manlomsangi, Learned Counsel for opposite parties number 1 to
82, my lord.
82, Ms. Lalnun Lui, Learned Government Advocate for State Respondents number 3 to what 1 to 82, then you cannot be 83, is it?
88, yes, lordship.
What?
87 and 88.
Respondents number 80,
Your Lordship, 85 to 88.
85 to 88, comma, Mr. Samuel Malaysia Tatsangte, Learned Standing Council, NHIDCL, for respondents number
89 and 90.
89 and 90, not 84?
The IA.
In the IA?
84.
84 as well.
Okay, 84, 89 and 90. And Ms. Zairam Sangpui, Learned CGC, for respondents number 83. Full stop.
8.
The Learned, now the Learned Council for respondent number 1 to 2.
82, my
has,
lord.
1 to 82.
Yes, my lord.
Has prayed for further time to file their written objection. What about the others? Are you all going to file? In view of the above, this court find it fit to give final chance to respondents number 1 to 82 to file their written objection, if any, positively by the final chance, okay, to file their written objection by the next court date. List on, do you
15th, can I, Your Lordship, 15th of January, can we put that after the vacation?
Okay, yes, listed after the vacation, ensuing vacation on 15/1/2026, yes.
And Your Lordship, again a request 1 week before, otherwise it is listed for the argument next time so that we can present in the court physically.
Okay, on 2026, full stop. The Learned Council for the opposite party numbers, number 1 to 3, will make an endeavor to furnish copies of the written objection 1 week before the next date of listing to the counsel for the petitioner. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 13.
Oblige.
My lord,
Yes.
TCR is received, my lord. Paper book may be made, my lord. Paper book may be required.
Okay, both the parties are duly represented, is it?
Private respondent is respondent number 1, my lord.
So respondent number 1 is represented?
Yes,
Are you
by
for respondent number 1 or are you for the
I'm for the state 2 to 6,
You're
my
for
lord.
the state. So who is appearing for the private respondent?
Private respondents, they are absent today, my lord.
Absent today, but who is the council? Have they been represented?
Yes, they have
previously?
already been represented.
Miss Linda
Miss
Zoltan Tuangi, my
Linda.
lord.
Okay. Then Mr. Lalbiaknunga, Learned Counsel for the appellant is present along with Mr. Samuel Tsangte, Learned additional AG for state respondents number 2 to
6, my lord.
6, full stop. It is seen that none appeared for the private respondent number 1, full stop. The Learned Counsels submit that paper book is required to be prepared in the instant appeal. So TCR has been called for
Yes, already received, madam.
in the instant appeal. In view of the above, since TCR has been received, paper book to be prepared at the expense of the appellant. List after the ensuing vacation. Yes.
Obliged, madam.
Item number 14.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, Sessions Registration Case Number 278 of 2023 under Section 21C of NT-NPS Act. Your Lordship, I am appearing for the accused Sukur Ali. Your Lordship, he was arrested on 11 June 2023 along with 3 other co-accused. Altogether, 4 of them were arrested, and all the 3 other accused got bail. The first accused, Nazimul Hussain Borhuya, he got bail on 14 July 2025, and based on the parity ground, Kutbul Alam also got the bail on 29th of July 2025. Again, based on parity ground, Your Lordship, On 15 September 2025, Abdul Kalam Loscar also got the bail. So based on that, Your Lordship, my prayer is based on parity ground. I have filed this bail application for Sukur Ali, who has been languishing in judicial custody for more than 2 years, 5 months and 28 days as of today.
Okay, heard Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel for the accused appellant who has filed the instant application under section 483 of the BNSS for the release of the accused petitioner on bail on his arrest on, when was he arrested?
He was arrested on 11 June 2023, Your Lordship.
Okay, on 11 June 2023, in connection with SR number 278/2023, under section 21, within bracket C of the NDNPS Act, 1985, full stop. The learned counsel for the applicant.
Your Lordship, I pray for a short date, Your Lordship, before
The
vacation.
learned counsel for the accused petitioner submits that there are how many co-accused? How many co-accused persons? 3 or 2?
Your Lordship,
How many
Your Lordship.
co-accused?
3 of them are already on bail, Your
Okay, there
Lordship.
are 3 co-accused persons.
Altogether 4 co-accused.
There are
Your
3
Lordship.
co-accused persons along with the instant. 4 co-accused. How many? 5 accused? No, altogether I
Yes,
think there
Your
are
Lordship,
4.
5 accused.
There are 5. 5 accused altogether.
Yes, Your Lordship, in this particular case, there are 5 accused.
Okay.
But on that particular
There are
day,
4
of them were arrested.
co-accused persons along with the instant accused petitioner in the instant case, wherein how many have been released? 4 or 3? How many accused persons have been granted bail?
Your Lordship,
4.
Your
wherein
Lordship, 4 of them already granted
4
bail.
of the co-accused
In this
persons
particular case, there are
have
5
been
accused.
granted bail.
4 were arrested on
In
one
view of the
particular
but
day,
look,
and out of those, 3 are already on bail.
Let me give my dictation, okay, out of which 3 have been granted bail out of 5, is it? Or 4 have been granted bail, how many?
No, Your Lordship, 4 are already on bail.
All 4?
Yes, Your Lordship. He's the
Out
last
of
one.
which 4 co-accused persons have already
Yes,
been
Your
granted bail, full stop. The learned counsel submits that the instant bail application is filed on grounds of parity, since all the other 4 accused persons have been released on bail, full stop. Notice be issued to the respondent, the state respondent, Ms. Vani Isyami, learned additional PP accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents. Copy of the, full stop, copy of the bail application to be duly furnished to the learned additional PP. List the matter
Your Lordship, before vacation,
immediately after the ensuing vacation on, the court reopens on the 12th, I think, on 12/1/2026. Okay, immediately after the vacation, yes. On 12th.
Oblige.
Your Lordship, may I pray? Your Lordship, we were asking for a date before vacation, Your Lordship. As already all the accused are on bail.
No,
Any
so it's not always automatically on grounds of parity. We have to see how you are involved. Okay, so immediately on the 12th, we'll hear the matter. Okay, yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 15.
Yes, my lord, in this IA, regarding the respondent number 4, as per the last court order dated...
Dusty mode.
Yes, dusty mode. But, my lord, however, we could not locate the respondent number 4 till today, my lord. And
So
we
further
are-
time?
Further time to trace him, my lord.
Yes. Ms. Rosie Manlom Sangi, learned counsel for the applicant is present, along with Mr.
Balan Chanpuya.
Vanlal Tampuya, appearing on behalf of his senior Mr.
Bilal Ramenga.
Bilal Ramenga. Good stop. New para. The learned counsel for the applicant has prayed for further time to file their affidavit regarding service of notice upon respondent number 4 through dusty mode. Good stop. In view of the above, list the matter after the ensuing vacation.
Obliged.